It's that time of the year, re go biletsa December. Menate da e baya le dibiri di a go enda. Ene harabolo go di qala. Nigga looking fresh and the middies looking fire. Tsena in the venue ka bo 6:30. Got me looking around for me a table sit. Then I ordered around the bit gwaza. I don't need to say I'm lit. Nako ke bo 10:30. Ke lebile fine shit, you know she a 10. Ya dumela ngwana are what's your plan? Kere na ke da ke cheat da le magang. Ebe re phunya diperi tse paya. Second location re baraka style. Oh lo halala. You can ask about me, Utlwa Ka Nna. In the GC streets, yeah, Utlwa Ka Nna. Rema GPE, Utlwa Ka Nna, Utlwa Ka Nna. You can ask about me, Utlwa Ka Nna. In the GC streets, yeah, Utlwa Ka Nna. Rema GPE, Utlwa Ka Nna. Utlwa Ka Nna, yeah. No get to remedy a fight. Rally to my shot and I rebuttal a fight. We take it to Savannah to 5. Out she don't need a man so she can have a great time. Now Utlwa Ka Nna. Double kill and rapper one tap. 4 months or another panta. Came a labor in the ice. Are, yo. Utlwa Ka Nna. Yeah, Utlwa Ka Nna.